Well, like I said in my last clip, I'm still not happy. I want to sand some more in there, but these bits I can't get in there, and once they get small enough, they don't work anymore. They've got some sort of resin in the middle. So I found some that would work, but they're not available locally, and the ones online will take weeks to get here. So I've got myself a threaded piece of rod and some of this speed file or power file, whatever you want to call it, stuff. I'm going to wrap it around here nice and tight. Right. Until I get the required thickness that I want. I don't know if this will work yet. Should do. Yeah. Just trying to work out how fat I need to go. If we go too fat, it still won't do the job, but it will wear down, I guess. This is the bit I've already used. I don't want to break up a new one and waste that. I think that's probably about the right diameter there. It's about a bit over a centimetre, like half an inch there. But it's a bit, it's as tight as I can get it to roll. I'll just put a little bit more. Yes, no. Let me do it again. Otherwise, I could put a little cut through the middle and slot it in. But just gluing it should be enough. I just got to make sure I keep it nice and tight. Yeah, I don't know why I'm having trouble finding these little sandpaper porting tools in Australia. I can't find it at any of the tool stores. I can find them on Amazon, but they have to come from America. Hopefully my pistons and rods will be here today or tomorrow. Bloody import duties in Texas. That's about it. Oh no! Start again. I'll speed this up a bit. Maybe. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's very good. That's a good idea. That works good, rolling it up this way. It's nice and tight. You're probably thinking, how am I going to make that all stick? Well, I'm going to put this 2-part super glue and baking powder solution on here. Hopefully that will be strong enough. And the super glue. smart, I would have put it in the vise. Another layer. I'm going to stick my fingers to it in a minute. Yeah. Woo! There we go. Look at that. Maybe I'll put it a little bit in the middle here. To help it stick. I'll have to trim it down a bit because that's way too long. But I'll put a bit more. I always clean them up, otherwise you'll have trouble getting these off. Alright, let's cut this to size. That's long enough. We shall see. Oh yeah, always make sure you wrap it up the same way as it spins, of course. Like, it spins clockwise, so you need to wrap that anti-clockwise. But just as a sample, that works. Alright, so I'm just not happy with the bowls, and see if I can show you. Like alongside the valve guides, it's not very smooth. The cutting marks from these burrs, these burrs, they're still in there quite visibly. So I'm going to clean them up a bit more, and then take them probably tomorrow, hopefully, to the machine shop. So just a handy tip, I may make this part of a much larger clip or just as it is, I'm not sure yet. So anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, I really need it. Thank you.